I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Scholar and signing in so your library and alerts sync across devices. Use quoted phrases for exact matches and minus signs to exclude irrelevant terms. This narrows results immediately. Once done, apply author and cite filters to target known researchers or journals. Make sure to set a sensible date range and choose relevance versus date depending on novelty. Save the top 1 to 3 core papers into your library so you have stable starting points for deeper review. Now refine. Click Cited By to trace influential follow-ups and related articles to broaden the field. Use Boolean combinations and synonyms to capture different terminology. This prevents missing key work. Check different versions to find PDFs or preprints when paywalls appear. Once you identify clusters, create alerts and label items in your library so you can track new additions automatically. Finally, export citations via BibTX or EndNote for your reference manager to keep writing efficient and reproducible. Finish by verifying citation details and obtaining full texts. Always cross-reference with your institution's databases to ensure accuracy. If a paper is behind a paywall, make sure to try institutional access, request via interlibrary loan, or email the author. Many will share a PDF. If you get too few results, relax strict filters, expand date ranges, or swap technical terms for synonyms to capture broader literature. One troubleshooting tip. If searches return noisy or irrelevant hits, rebuild the query stepwise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.